Uy, Jay, mga picture. We have just arrived here on this dry riverbed. So this way to Pamutan, way to Buisan Dam. Guys, I'm here in Spartan Trail. It's so nice. Guys, we have just arrived on the falls, Langitan Falls. I wonder what's so langit-langit about this. Kaya itong vlog, puno akong memory. Langitan Falls. Wala pa kay tubig ron. Nasa ko likat-kat rin. Shortcut kunuhay. Black. Kukuk. So guys, nandito sa Spartan Trail. Final trails. Pasaka rin siya, pasaka. Makadungog na kong mga motor, mga agi sa karsada. So, medyo dool-dool tayo sa karsada. Alright. Rock and roll. Hello guys, sabi na ko dool na mga 1 kilometer pa man di ay half kilometer na karon. So nice ang view, nice ang air, init lang kay may mga dahon ng mga kahoyan eh. Dry season but yeah, we're almost there, going to Amordino. Meow 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 meow. Layo pa day. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. 100 meters last, 100 meters more sa Pamutan Trail, Spartan Trail. Let's go. Apoy na kayo. Guys, finally kita na ko sa karsada. End of Spartan Trail from Starbucks Paseo. Made it. I made it. I made it. I made it. Seven kilometers, 8 kilometers. Abot na kita sa karsada. Kabuya yawa.